Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Editing Mindset. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to perform how to install Windows 11 on an external SSD/HDD or create a portable Windows 11 that runs anywhere. If you have an old PC that doesn't meet the requirements for Windows 11, you can still use Windows 11 on that PC by installing the OS on an external hard drive. Once you install Windows 11 on an external hard drive, you can carry it with you anywhere and attach it to any PC to run Windows 11 from it. All your apps and programs will also save to the external drive. Guys, I'm using a USB SSD, but for a faster response, it's highly recommended to use an SSD drive with hardware and RAM, a USB Type-C or USB 3.2 port. The speed of Windows 11 will also depend on your computer hardware, RAM, and processor, among others. We need software called Win to USB Go to the website to download the software and install it on your PC. Go to the Microsoft website. Now, to install Windows 11 on an external drive, now connect your external drive to the PC. Then open the Win to USB application. Choose to go USB from the installation source drop-down. Select the Windows 11 ISO file that you downloaded. Press Proceed, the destination drop-down, and choose your USB external drive. The application automatically detects the partition scheme and BIOS for the PC. Click Proceed, press Proceed, and it will start installing Windows 11 on your USB external hard drive. Once the process completes, click Finish, and you are ready to run Windows 11 on any PC from the external drive. To run Windows 11 for the first time, let's restart the PC. While the PC is starting, press the F12 key and hold your boot menu. My boot menu key is the F12 key. It may vary depending on your PC manufacturer. Once you are inside the boot manager, choose to boot from the external drive. Now Windows is running from the external drive